In this video, I'll detail how to use AirPods Pro as microphone for videos. So if you are trying to record a video and you want to use your AirPods Pro as your video microphone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. Mark you, while using AirPods Pro as your video microphone, you need to decide which device you want to use the AirPods Pro with. It is highly recommended to use your AirPods Pro as microphone with iPhone or Mac because these are the most recommended devices that you can use the AirPods Pro with. You can use the AirPods Pro with your Android or Windows PC, but it's highly recommended to use it with your iPhone or Mac when you want to use the AirPods Pro as microphone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now when you want to use your AirPods Pro as microphone on videos, all you just need to do is connect the AirPods Pro and your iPhone together like this. And once you see a pop confirming that both devices are paired, then you can just drop your AirPods Pro, come to your iPhone settings, and on settings page, click on the name of your AirPods Pro. Then once you click on that, first, enable noise cancellation. So if you're unable to turn on noise cancellation here, you need to go ahead into the AirPods Pro and remove both AirPods, so like this, and then interchange them. So put this in right and then put this in the left case like this. Then turn on noise cancellation. That is the first thing you want to do. Then scroll down, come to microphone. So here you want to set both microphone to switch automatically instead of using maybe left microphone or right microphone while using your AirPods Pro. Then click on microphone. Then set automatically switch AirPods. That is when you are using single AirPods, this is going to switch the AirPods microphone from right to left or left to right. And if you are using both AirPods, this is going to use both AirPods microphone, most especially when you are recording your video. Then set this to this. Then once you're done, make sure you come to Bluetooth and confirm that the AirPods Pro is connected to your iPhone or Android or whichever devices that you are using it with. Then after that, just hit the power button. Now you can just go ahead, put your AirPods Pro in your ear and start recording your video. So that's everything you need to know about how to use AirPods Pro as microphone on video. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.